Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a PS5 controller not charging, right? It's really easy, and in this video I will show you basically a couple methods how you can fix that, right? So the first one, you can do here is to reset a PS5 controller, and easily you can do that by basically picking a paper clip or a little pen, and as you can see here there is a little hole, and with pen if you can basically press this hole, and in that way you can reset your controller, right? And so this is the first method. And the second, how you can do that, you can go on settings on the top right corner, and then you can go on accessories, and then you need to go on controllers, not controllers, Bluetooth accessories. And what you can do here, you can disconnect your controller and then reconnect with a USB-C USB cable. Just enable, basically just put controller, connect with your PS5, and it reconnects basically automatically. Or you can do that via Bluetooth and just simply press and hold PlayStation button and options button until light starts blinking, and then under the accessories found option, basically new controller pops up and you can connect it. So this is the two ways. And the third way, simply maybe change your charging cable because it's not working, right? So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.